Entity Tools Module Function Introduction. Break at intersection, line ratio coefficient. Break at intersection. This command can break intersecting lines at the intersection point as needed. Click the Break at Intersection function. Select the entity to be broken. Specify the point to break on the entity. The program automatically breaks the selected entities at the intersection point. Intersection break completed. Trim at intersection. This command trims the selected entities at the nearest intersection point with other objects. Click the Trim at Intersection function. Select TH entity to trim. The program will automatically trim the selected entities at the intersection points. You can continuously select entities for trimming. Intersection trim completed. Arbitrary sectioning. This command is used to draw continuous section cut symbols. Click the Arbitrary Sectioning function. Specify the first point and next point of section cutting symbol. Press Enter to finish picking. Enter the annotation for the section cut symbol. Enter the text height for the section cut symbol. Section cut symbol drawn, completed. Line arc conversion. This command allows for the mutual conversion between straight lines and arcs in a pline. Click the Line Arc Conversion function. Click on the pline with the mouse to drag and select the height of the arc. Or press H to enter the height. Pressing Enter will directly draw a semicircle. Clicking on this pline again will convert the arc back into a straight line. Line arc conversion completed. Convert line arc to pline. This command is used to directly convert lines or arcs into polylines. Click the Convert Line Arc to Pline function. Select the line or arc to convert to pline. This command allows multiple entities to be selected and converted at once. Line or arc conversion to pline completed. Remove invalid vertices. This command is used to delete invalid vertices of a pline. Click the Remove Invalid Vertices function. Select or box select the pline whose invalid vertices you want to delete, and then perform the deletion. Deletion of invalid pline vertices completed. Dashed switch. This command is used for toggling between solid and dashed states of entities. Click the dashed switch function. Select entity to change the line type. Press Enter to confirm. Entity solid in void toggle completed. Line ratio. If individual entities need to adjust the line type scale when displaying line types, you can adjust the line type display of a single entity. This is where the Line Scale Factor command comes in to set it up. Click the Line Ratio function. Select the entity to change the line type scale factor. Press Enter to confirm. Enter line type scale factor. The selected objects will then display the appropriate line scale factor. Thanks for watching. Best for all Explorer software.